the breathtaking shores of Lake Superior, where adventure and tranquility meet. My wife and I just went on an overnight camping trip. The sunset was spectacular. And then at sunset, we went on the journey looking for the Yooperlites. Those little stones that glow, that was pretty cool. And we found a lot. So stick around and have fun with us as we take this little adventure. Off on the western side of the UP, trying to find the secret beach. Yeah, we're on the little seasonal road right now. And say hi, Kate.
Hello.
Yeah, she's being my Uber driver now. So now we're gonna head that way for a while down this little seasonal road off into some off-road country so my wife can get her Jeep on.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. A drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or
Riding shotgun on this one is kind of fun.
this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or this or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
Is this cool or what?
Amazing!
Check this out, guys. Lake Superior. Oh, crap. This is awesome.
Hottest in the room by far. And look up in our eyes, like my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me. 'Cause you got what I want. So we make love and we make plans, and God knows that I'm all about it. We're up high, never coming down, baby, just you and I. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. I've known it since I met you. This love, it was a breakthrough. For the rest of our days, we'll be everything we wanna be. For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done
Well, camp
deal,
is set
just
up.
wait and see.
Kate's in there right now, getting the final details of our bedding and stuff done. Then we're gonna sit down and have dinner. But check this out, guys. Is this incredibly awesome or what? Oh, here comes the queen! Oh, hail the tech queen!
That was our view for the night.
Rain quit. Now we're having a wonderful dinner. Chip dip. And little slider sandwiches.
At dark, we're pretty close to it. Kate and I are gonna go walk the beach and look for Yooperlites. It's those little rocks that have these little orange glowy things when you put black light to them. They're pretty cool. I'll definitely show you them when we find them. But until then, I'm gonna take a nap. This cold is rough, but it would take a whole lot more than this cold to be able to keep me from enjoying myself. I mean, I'm like one of the best places on the planet. I'm definitely with the best person on the planet. I'll tell you, Kate, she's a badass. I just gotta say that. That girl is incredible. Till then, good night.
Yeah, Kate and I just took a nap. Fell asleep hard. Then we woke up and I opened up the window for the door to the tent, and how about that, guys? I don't even see it or not. Absolutely breathtaking sunset. Ooh. Beautiful. Babe, turn around.
What? Oh, hey, look! That would have been one of the ones we get on the way back. You got any in your hand?
Not in my hand.
Okay, good.
Hey! Hey, dear! That's how you get your third and fourth hand right there.
What does that mean?
I was grumbling earlier about that. I needed, because it was hard to pick up stones, hold the camera, and do flashlight at the same time. Look at that thing. It glows like a headlight. Sweet. Cool. There's a lot of other stones and minerals that light up too. But we're looking for
That
the
guy?
Yooperlite. Yeah, look at that. Thing glows. Like little lamps. Yeah, just shine across the stones with this black light. If I find a bright little orange, I've got one right there. Hey, dear.
That one?
Right there.
Oh.
You need these on. What? Research continues. Yeah, my friend said to go in about 6 inches of the water, but I didn't bring waterproof boots. That's working. All right, Yooperlite hunt was a success, don't you think? Yeah, we got quite a few of them. We're beat. It's after midnight. The fire was not such a success. We did get a little bit going though. We gave it, I don't know, 3 different attempts, and all the wood was just too wet. We gave it the good college try, though. It's all right. We're tired. We're going to bed. See you in the morning.